In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use OpenOffice templates to enhance your project. What you see in front of you is OpenOffice. You can get it at openoffice.org. OpenOffice is a really great word processor. If you don't have Microsoft Word or any good word processor, you can download OpenOffice and it will open Word files and many others. If we look here, let's go to File and Open. And then if we look at the types here, we have all files, but look at all the different types we have here: text documents, spreadsheets, drawings, master documents, OpenOffice, Microsoft Word, all the different formats and types there, doc books, more Microsoft Word. It goes on and on and on. So with OpenOffice, it replaces a lot of things that you would normally pay for. Now, to make it more useful, what you can do is use OpenOffice templates. So right now we're sitting here with a blank screen in front of us, but we can go and find free templates that will help us create our project without having to do a lot of work on our own. If we go to templates.services.openoffice.org, you come to this site here, and in here there are all kinds of templates that people have created and are sharing with others. So for instance, if you wanted to do something in business, you could go and look through here, see what different templates they have here. So we have correspondence, finance, presentation, miscellaneous, other business documents. So we can go in here. Okay, so let's say we wanted to make a quarter-page flyer. Okay, so we would use this one. Now you can tell which application type they are. This is using the writer, which is the actual word processor. OpenOffice comes with a lot of other things too. It comes with Calc, which is like a spreadsheet, and a whole lot of other things in the suite. I'm not going to go too much into that right now. Well, let's just click on Use It here. Okay, so we would download this to our desktop or somewhere on our computer, and then we would open it with the OpenOffice writer. Okay, so I'm going to download it to my desktop. Okay, now let's go back to the OpenOffice writer and let's open that file. Okay, here it is here, the quarter-page flyer. Click on that. And it has opened it up for us in here. So now all we have to do is put our text or content in each of these, and we have our project completed. Then what we do is we would just do here, File, and then do a Save As. Okay, to save it as a different name rather than overwriting the template. Then you have the template there, and you can use it again in the future. Okay, so that's an example of how you can use templates to create your own projects without having to go through a lot of work using OpenOffice.